today's video, I'll show you how to add variations in WooCommerce products, perfect for offering different sizes, colors, or other options. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and navigating to your WooCommerce products list. Choose the product you want to edit or create a new one. In the product editor, find the product data drop-down at the top and switch it from simple product to variable product. This allows a single product to have multiple options. Next, go to the Variations tab under Product Data. You can either create variations from all attributes, which automatically generates every combination of your attributes, or add variations manually to select only the specific combinations you want to offer. Use the Add Variation button to customize each option. Remember to save your changes as you go and preview your product to see what customers will experience. And that's it. Your WooCommerce product now has variations, making shopping more flexible and interactive.